Hello, I'm Mrs. Liu. Let us look at this maths question. The diagram below shows a quadratic graph. We want to find the coordinates of A and B. So we have this quadratic curve, y equals to minus x squared minus 3x plus 10. In order to get the coordinates, we need to factorize this. So on the left-hand side, we have x and x. Okay, we will need x squared on the left-hand side. But we need to add in a negative. Okay, let's see where to put in the negative. Then on the right-hand side, we will have 5 and 10. 5 and 2, sorry, because 5 times 2 will give us 10. So these two sides are okay. So now we need to get negative 3. In order to get negative 3, we need to put a minus over here. So we can get negative 5x. And here we'll have 2x. So you will have negative x squared plus 10, which is correct. So now we need to get negative 3x over here. Okay, so we have factorized this equation. So y is equals to x plus 5 and minus x plus 2. In order to get the coordinates of A and B, we know that y will need to be 0. So when y equals to 0, 0 equals to x plus 5 and minus x plus 2. So hence either x plus 5 is equals to 0 or minus x plus 2 is equals to 0. So x equals to minus 5 or x equals to 2. Hence we know that the coordinates of A will be minus 5, 0, and the coordinates of B will be 2, 0. That's all for today. Remember, you are a miracle.